Here I've got Neffos C5 Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now you have to open and select System, so it's the very last step, and now go to Date and Time. And here you can either use automatic date and time, and it can be either network provided time or GPS provided time, or you can switch off automatic setup, and now you can set date and time manually by yourself. You can also have automatic time zone, or you can switch it off the same way simply by tapping on this switcher, and now simply select the time zone that you would like to have. As you can see, Neffos prepared a wide list of time zones, so let me pick Perf. And finally you can decide if you want to use 24-hour format clock, and if so, simply tap on this switcher, or the standard one, which is 12-hour format clock, then simply unclick it. And that would be all. This is how you can change the date and time in your device in your Neffos C5 Plus. If you would like to go back to automatic settings, simply tap on this switcher and then go back to automatic date and time, and that would be all. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.